What is Device Manager? In simple words, Device Manager shows a complete list of hardware devices installed on your PC, like display adapters, sound devices, network cards, USB devices, and more. If a device is not working properly, Device Manager is usually the first place to check. How to open Device Manager? To open Device Manager in Windows, right-click on the Start button and click Device Manager. Alternatively, you can press Windows key plus X, then select Device Manager from the menu. Understanding the icons. Each category can be expanded to see connected devices. If you see a yellow triangle, it means there's a problem with that device, usually a missing or outdated driver. A down arrow means the device is disabled. Common uses of Device Manager. You can use Device Manager to update device drivers, enable or disable hardware, uninstall faulty devices and troubleshoot hardware issues. To update a driver, right-click on the device and select Update Driver. Why Device Manager is important. Without proper drivers, your hardware cannot communicate correctly with Windows. Device Manager helps keep your system stable, fast, and error-free. If your sound, Wi-Fi, display, or USB device suddenly stops working, always check Device Manager first. It can save you a lot of time. That's all about Device Manager in Windows. Simple, powerful, and essential for every PC user. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.